Hello, welcome to Ehrenberg, Arizona. So I am up for sunrise, which is rare, but I was tossing and turning and I looked outside and the sky was just oh so beautiful. So let's have a look. Here comes the sun, do-do-do. Here comes the sun, I say, it's all right. That's not a sunrise. No, it's a bone. That's not a sunrise. That's a pile of rocks that I left here last year. Shazam! Now that's a sunrise. Sunrise! Sunrise! I'm not a sunrise. I'm a little ground cactus. I'm not a sunrise. I'm a desert runoff ditch. And I'm an ocotillo. And nope, I'm not a cactus even though I have lots of spines. And we're milky quartz. Here we are now. I've changed location. This is New Year's morning. Happy New Year. Good morning. And this is the sunrise, and the birds have just begun chirping. So we are overlooking Parker, Arizona. The city's in the distance there. Can't really see it. You can see the lights at night though. Happy New Year, and thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and scroll down and subscribe. Hit the little bell to the right of the subscribe button and you'll get my notifications whenever I produce a new video. Also, please scroll down and check out the resources for this sunset and sunrise study. I know I've only done sunrises. I'll probably do sunsets in a different video. Bye-bye for now.